police officer from the New Berlin Police Department in Wisconsin noticed a vehicle run a red light while on patrol. The officer then noticed a baby hanging outside of the backseat passenger window. The officer initiates a traffic stop. However, she is about to encounter some of the most despicable human behavior of her career.
Hi. The reason I stopped you is you ran the red light back there. The baby needs to be in the car seat as well. Do you have your driver's license on you?
I don't have it on me. I do have a license, so you can look it up.
How much have you had to drink?
Oh, I haven't had no drinks.
You haven't had anything? Car seat needs to be strapped in, okay? He was halfway out the window while you were driving, through a red light. Had you gotten hit by a car, that baby would be dead right now, okay? Do you mind if I help? Please. Hi. I know. You want me to hold him while you strap it in?
You want me to call your mom?
I'll be back in a minute, okay?
Due to the suspicion of the driver being under the influence, the officer has the suspect contact the passenger's mother to come pick them up while the officer begins to write her report. Another officer arrives on scene and is about to witness the most despicable behavior of his career.
Hey, Mr. Officer Maloney, Police Department. Hey, whose alcohol's in the vehicle?
I just picked her up from down the road.
So my partner said she saw open bottles of alcohol. Are you kidding me? Huh? Are you kidding me? She just straight up backhanded this kid.
What?
She just straight up backhanded that child. You see a mark on him?
You will not. I'm literally grabbing his pocket. Which side of the face?
Smack.
You will not be happy regardless of whatever. It's not exciting. Fine. Alright, let's secure this.
Where's mom? Where's mom?
I'm his mom.
No, your mother.
Yes, I am.
Your mother. Where's your mother?
35 minutes away. She does not give a fuck. I see her.
We don't live far.
Pop the trunk for me.
Who's booze? Who's booze?
Not mine.
Okay. I'm just putting this all in the trunk right now. Where's the bottle of liquor?
I don't know.
Right by your foot right there. Let me give me that bottle of liquor.
Holly. White.
I think that's all of it.
We have fire respond too for someone who's extremely 56.
No, you need no choices. I'm getting cold.
I'm gonna go check my camera real quick.
The officer puts the baby back in the car seat for the time being and keeps an extremely close eye on the mother in the back seat. Due to the officer not believing what he just saw, he decides to deactivate his body camera to watch his footage and make sure he's correct. After watching it, he returns to tell the other officer what he saw.
I can see it and hear it on my body camera.
You can't?
You can.
Oh, you can?
Yeah.
Perfect.
So my partner said she saw open bottles of alcohol. Are you kidding me?
All right, can you stand by with them? I'm going to grab a blanket for him because his feet are freezing.
We're getting a blanket right now. When's the last time you slept?
2.
He took a nap today?
Yes.
Does he normally take a nap?
Yes. All right, Mr. Here's the deal, okay? You're not in trouble regardless of his size.
I'm gonna close this door so the wind's not on him.
Thank you. I just seal. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Perfect. Thank you. You can take the 2 back. Do you know what the legal limit is Wisconsin? Huh? I'm sorry? Yeah, you're about 3 times the legal limit. So, but step out. I'm not arresting you, okay? But you can't be in the car right now, and I'm gonna need your keys. Yes. Thank you. Go ahead and stand back there. Please pull up your pants. Thank you. Okay, so what was going on in the park and ride?
I was just talking to her.
So you normally talk with your shirt off and your pants half down?
No, I usually, I literally took my shirt off earlier because it was hot, that's all.
Okay, and your pants?
You know, my pants were on the whole time.
Well, you just stood up and they were like half down.
Yeah, no,
Talking to
my
you.
Velcro.
Okay, listen, I just need to know straight up.
Is that your husband, boyfriend?
No, he's not husband, boyfriend, anything.
My
What were you doing?
I wasn't doing anything. I was really making out. That's what we did.
Oh, so you were making out?
Yeah, I know.
Okay, so you were doing something.
Yeah, no, we were just making out. That's it.
And where was the baby during this?
He was in the back seat with us.
So you guys were getting it on in the back seat and the baby was next to
Like
you.
I said, we just kissed, that's all. We didn't have anything else.
Well, your shirt was off and your pants are half down.
No, my pants were back. This is my Velcro. You can see that my Velcro right here broke. That's why my pants sit down. I just didn't have my shirt on because I usually don't have my shirt on.
Well, here's the deal. You need to find someone to come pick you up. I'm just grabbing your phone. All right, now I'm going to ask you again. Whose booze was that in the car?
I promise you on everything.
Sir?
No.
Stop talking to me like I'm stupid, okay? You're hammered right now?
I know, but that wasn't mine.
Go ahead, call someone to come pick you up.
EMS now arrives and checks the baby for any injuries or health concerns.
She was very nice in trying to get someone to come pick the kid up, and I don't think that's going to be an option.
No.
Why was she hitting the kid? Do you know?
Malone was up there. She half threw him into the car seat when I was back there, and I was like, okay, well, let's. That's why I started calling for a second because I was like, she just smacked him.
Okay. Have you ever done a breathalyzer before? I just want to see where you're at and how much alcohol you've had. Take a deep breath. Keep going, 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 keep going. You take the two. All right, just hang tight with my partner here for a second, and be with you in a minute.
The breathalyzer resulted in a .331 blood alcohol concentration, which is extremely high and dangerous, bordering on the level associated with coma and death.
Do you know where you were before you got pulled over?
We were in,
Do you remember being over at the park and ride?
no,
He's saying you were at the park and ride.
we were not.
Hi. Thank you so much for calling. I appreciate it. This is a little bit of a complicated one, so I will do my best here. Over in New Berlin, I was on Racine Avenue. We have a park and ride over there. I noticed a car that was parked with its lights on and the what are they called? Windshield wipers going? I was like, that's kind of odd. Okay. Turned around, didn't see anybody in the front seats, saw some movement in the back, and I was like, oh, maybe it's two kids fooling around. You never know. I drove past the back and I saw a baby pop up and then someone with longer, poofier hair. So I ran the plate, nothing crazy came back, and my thought was, oh, it's probably a mom in the back seat breastfeeding. I was doing traffic control in that area, so I kind of could keep an eye on it a little bit. I see them leaving, and I noticed that the back windows are completely rolled down, and the kid, who was probably one, maybe 1.5, is half body out the back seat window. Catch up to the car, blows the red light at the intersection, and I can see the kids still hanging out of the window, so I pulled him over immediately. Driver is half naked. It's a man. The kid is popping all over around the back seat, and kid's mom is in the back seat, absolutely hammered, slumped over, so that's why I never saw the second person. Poofy hair was the guy, just has longer hair. They're allegedly just friends. Baby's fine. I'm okay, we need to get the kid in a car seat. And the guy's oh, she's really drunk. I'm so sorry, I ran the red light. I'm trying to get her home. And had you gotten hit, that baby would be dead right now. So my coworker gets there. And there's open intox in the vehicle. So multiple open alcohol bottles in the car. Partner gets there. He's up there talking to her because she can't even tell us her birthday. She's so drunk. I find her in locals, so I get her information that way. While my partner's up there, she backhands the kid right in front of him. They're separated. Everybody's separated. Fire's on scene. Talk to her. Hanging out with baby, making sure baby's okay. Baby, as from what I saw, has a red welt on the face. Give the driver a breathalyzer. and he blows a .26. Mom, she's a 0.331. So I pull him out of the car, grab his keys, you know, you're not driving home. All he's admitted to is that they were making out. So that's kind of where we're at. Quite a lot, I know, sorry.
Hey, do not get out of the car. Do not open that door.
I really need to be.
I understand that, and I told you as soon as we can, we'll get you where we can. Stop. 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 So the door doesn't work at all.
Of course not, I would've.
You're gonna have to climb over and get out the other side.
Please get your car.
Hey, can you climb out this side towards me, please?
Yeah, I've been trying to get that to knock it off. Because it's my kid's son.
You want help?
Yes, please.
Watch your head.
No, it's not even that. Can't even do what I said at the down there door.
Come on.
Okay, I'm coming out.
Stand up.
Good.
Alright. Come on, stay right there. Up.
I'm just mad that they're not getting out my kid door. That's my kid.
This up for you, okay?
You're good. I need to pee, and they won't get out my kid. I need to pee. I need to.
Alright, hold on. Stop moving. Stop moving. Alright, I'm gonna have you put your hands behind your back.
I'm not.
Allie, I need you to listen to me, alright?
You are. I will. I'm not mad. I'm just.
Alright.
If I get to
Allie, at this time you're being placed under arrest, okay? You're under arrest for child abuse.
How? What the fuck? What the fuck? I'm not going door to door. I'm just trying to get everybody a door that tells them who is with me. Like, why are you guys? No. First off, why are you guys adoring me, dude?
I don't even know what you're saying.
Scoot your butt in the
No.
vehicle.
Why are you guys going putting me on door in the backseat of the vehicle?
There you go. Good
No,
job.
I'm
Because
done
you're
with
under arrest.
But why?
I already told you for child abuse neglect.
Yeah,
That
but
is right.
he's this. I'm not trying to be into abuse, please. Come on. I'm not trying to be an asshole. Come on. I'm not trying to be a dick. I'm literally just trying to be an ass. Come on.
How did your belt break?
When I got out the car in the rush.
Okay. Just now?
Snap. Yeah, just now.
Okay. So, Mr. Here's what we're gonna do. If you're willing to, I'm gonna run you through some tests. Okay? Field sobriety tests. Are you willing to do those tests for me?
I mean, is my brother here?
Your brother's here, but I want to do the
But
test
is
first.
it okay if I can just like get home? He can drive me back.
No, that's what
Yeah.
that's what I'm asking you. Is if you're willing to do the tests.
You know, if you really want that, that's fine. But at the same time, I really want to go home. I'm really stressed out.
I understand
really
that. I want to run you through tests. If you're willing to.
During the redacted audio, the suspect refuses to do field sobriety testing, resulting in what the officers do next.
All right, Mr. I need you to step out for me. So right now, based on the statements in our investigation, you're under arrest right now for child neglect. Okay?
Yeah.
Yep. My partner will be able to explain it more to you. I need you to turn around and face the squad car for me. Mr. Have you ever been arrested before?
That's my first time ever.
First time ever? Okay, go ahead and have a seat. I'm just trying to hold your pants up for you. Okay?
So I'm not going home.
You're not going home.
Me and him, his father, we were not in an asshole. Me and his wiping is a general, not his wife number, but whoever was listening, talking to him. I genuinely don't need me to be an ass. Are we gonna be okay? Like, I'm not gonna be an okay. Like, if I'm gonna be an okay, like,